move again. We're leaving Whangarei. What a good time we've had here. Much more of a city than I ever thought. Thumbs up to Whangarei, we love you. We are going to pack performance this morning, catch up with Azar, and then we are predicting to go, we're going to go see Mark Julian, we're going to go see Ape Racing, we're going to go see Marsden Eminem Racing, probably going to come see Jason and Woku, RE Sprint, and we're going to catch up a few boys who are going to roll with us for Bombay down to West Hamilton tonight, this afternoon. Might go see RX in New Zealand too, maybe. Who else has got in Auckland? Anyone else? Woodshop, maybe all that, or?
I think you covered all of them.
Yeah, there might be some more if we can think about it. Oh, look at that. Nice, is the police looking at us, giving us a smile? That's cool. You guys loving it? But that's what we're thinking today. Bit of a late start, Charlie.
Take the next right onto Water Street.
But you know, we're all good. Thank you.
Someone was too comfy in bed this morning.
But we had the mean tea last night. Adam fucking Basher is the fucking whiz in the kitchen, I tell you. The best fucking Scotch fillet I've ever had in my fucking life, I reckon. And yeah, Adam, bro, just great hospitality, just fucking off the bat, you know. Stay with him. So, Adam is the man. But that's just what we're thinking of today. Keep with us. We'll try and post up a bit more stuff, I think. Misfire's got something coming up. But we're just going to enjoy the ride really more than just video edit and stuff like that. But here we go anyway, good luck. See you in Auckland.